Welcome back. We are going to begin with our lesson 2 on harmonica. Remember, like our last lesson on how to open the case? So again, you're imagining it like a tube of toothpaste. You open that flap, you start from the bottom, you take it out, and then you just make sure that you catch that harmonica. When we're holding the harmonica, again, you have two ways to hold it. So either kind of like a sandwich, or you take those two fingers and the thumb on the left hand, right hand cups around. Whichever you feel most comfortable with is fine. But again, numbers are on the top. So make sure that you have numbers 1 through 10 on that top. If you start playing upside down, it's going to sound completely different. So make sure that you're doing it with the numbers on top. Let's review our two terms. So our draw versus blow. Again, draw is where you're breathing the air in. Blow is where you're breathing the air out. So let's just do that exercise like we did last time. So ready? You're going to just do draw or blow. Ready, go. Let's review our train sound. Again, the D's stand for draw, the B's stand for blow, and then the chugga chugga is that vocalized chugga chugga. Ready? All together. 1, 2, ready, go. And in our last music time, we learned about the 3 zones. So we had zone 1, zone 2, and zone 3. So that low zone, middle, and high. Let's go ahead and do our train sound with those 3 different zones. Our zone 1, ready? So that's that's holes 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we have our zone 2. So again, that's the 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ready, go. Now our last zone is zone 3. Again, that's the holes 8, 9, and 10. Gentle air, like we're blowing out a candle, nothing too hard. Ready, go. Today we're going to focus on harmonica notation. How the notation is written is as numbers, so it's a number system. So the number represents the hole on the harmonica. So whenever you see harmonica music, it'll just have these numbers like this. Now notice the first one just says 4. So there's no circle around it and there's no minus sign in front of it. That means that you are going to blow on the hole. So you would find hole 4 and then you would play that sound and you're just blowing air through. If you get the number where it's the number but it's a minus and circled, then that means you draw. Remember, that's you breathe in. So you would find hole 4. And those are your pitches C and D. C, D, C, D. Blow, draw, blow, draw. That's how you figure out, that's how the numbers are connected with the harmonica. So you're probably wondering, well, Mrs. Shaden, how are you getting that single sound? Up to this point, we've just been doing where you're playing multiple holes, meaning that you're playing multiple pitches. So there are 2 types of techniques. Now my personal favorite is the U-shape technique. And all you're doing, if you notice in the U-shape, the yellow is representing your tongue and then the red is your mouth. So your mouth is going to go over holes 3, 4, and 5. And then you're going to do this little U-shape with your tongue to block out those other holes. So, and that's what my mouth should look like to get that sound. So I'm using that U shape of the tongue and I'm blocking out the holes to make sure I'm playing correctly. Now the other way of doing it is a blocking technique. Now for some of you who have a harder time with doing a U shape with your tongue, maybe this is the easiest, where you have your tongue is going to block 5 and 6 if you're trying to get hole 4 to be the one that makes the sound. So you would block out those holes and then you would just make sure that your mouth is around all of them so that you get air through 4. Right. This one's a little harder to do for me. That's not my best one, but the U shape is the one that I feel most comfortable with. Try to do one of those. Don't resort to, I've had students in the past take their thumbs and then block off the holes and then just go. Okay, no, don't put your fingers in your mouth. If your fingers have to go in your mouth, then we're doing something wrong. So try to use that U shape. It's a little U or that blocking technique. Okay, go ahead and practice that. The C major scale is a skill that I really want you to know in 3rd grade. This is something that we do every year for my 3rd graders, and we typically will do it on a harmonica, and then we transition it onto the ukulele as well. So today's assignment at the end of this video is actually going to be to play the C major scale on your harmonica on our music Flipgrid and send me that video. Now when we do this, you want to go slow. Try your best. I know that this is difficult to get like individual sounds. I'm not looking to see if you get the individual sounds right now. I just want to make sure that you're at least aiming for the correct holes and that you're doing the correct blow versus drawing. So the C major scale is that, let me get the starting pitch. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, or your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. But in harmonica, it's 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. Okay, it's like you're singing a phone number. So when we're doing this, look at the pattern. So notice in the harmonica notation, the 4, so you're starting with a blow, and it goes blow, draw, blow, draw, blow, draw. Then what happens? It switches. Draw, blow. So let's start with hole 4. Again, try your best with getting the individual sound. If it's not perfect, that's okay. And let's do it together. Find hole 4. Start with the blow first. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do that again. Ready? Start with the 4. So, ready, and... Well done. So now let's try it with the song. So we have Old MacDonald Had a Farm, the E-I-E-I-O. This is one of Francis's favorite songs. One time we were on our way back from Wisconsin, and he had the Old MacDonald Had a Farm book, and it had all these buttons. The entire time, that hour left that we had to go home, we heard dun 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 the entire time. So we're very familiar with Old MacDonald. So notice with the notation, we have 5s, then we have the draw 4s, that breathing in like a straw, and then you have that blow through the 4. So it's at 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, sorry, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4. There we go. So it's that blow, blow, draw, draw, blow. So let's try it. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and... Well done! I am trusting that you sound amazing. Okay, if you need a pause here and keep practicing that, then give it a try. Here's another song that you can now try the harmonica notation with. So we have Hot Cross Buns, and so this is your starting pitch. Let's go ahead and sing Hot Cross Buns together. Ready, sing, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Now let's sing the numbers. Ready, sing. 5, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4. Now try to sing the blow versus draw. Ready, sing. Blow, draw, blow, blow, draw, blow, 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 draw, 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 blow, draw, blow. Okay, so let's try that together. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so now as your homework, you are going to go to your music Flipgrid, homework assignment number 2. You're going to record yourself playing that C major scale on your harmonica. Go slow. It is not a race. Again, I can play it faster, but I've been doing this for 7 years, okay? So I have a few more years under my belt than you do, okay? So be patient with yourself. So you're going to start with hole 4, and you're just going to slowly play through that scale. And that's it. Okay, go to the Flipgrid, and I'll see you next time.